up, guys? This is Barnacle Girl, aka Ashley Marie, and today we have a shoe unboxing.
But it's an exciting one because we have the makeup brand MAC and the shoe brand PUMA colliding for, what's it called, a shoe. And I was super excited about it, and I have it. Only one. There's three. There's like a pink one, a red one, and like a purple one. I was between the red and the purple, but then the purple sold out, so then I got sold on the red. So, what's it called? I took it out of the bag. So, as you can see right here, we have the PUMA Suede 50 MAC collection. This is actually really cute. And here, like, there's only info. They're like a woman's size 7, and I think that's like I don't know, it's like a men's like 5 or something like that. I just know it's a woman's size 7, but I'm ready for this. There was like a stamp inside, and I was reading it. It was all nicely packaged. Unboxing time. What's this? Don't drop them. Let's just admire these beauties right here. Look at them. Ooh. And like the part that's supposed to be like a lipstick is all like shiny. Guys, these are gorgeous. It's like the inside, and then right here is where it has. Right here is where it has the MAC, and down there is right here is the PUMA sign. You know, like I was just really excited because I was like, makeup and shoes together. I love both, like makeup and shoes, and I was like, they're holding hands. Yes, please. So I'm gonna put these on because I want to wear these today. That's why I want to do this unboxing really fast. This could be like a quick video. I just really wanted to wear these, and I didn't want to wear them without doing the unboxing. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put the price right here for them.